Investment wisdom in market volatility. A fund manager's cross-market trading diary in the ever-changing world of finance. Market volatility is like a tempestuous sea, constantly challenging investors and fund managers. Lin, a seasoned fund manager, found himself in the eyes of such a storm one day. "This is like navigating a maze of investment strategies," Lin muttered, rubbing his temples before turning to his assistant. The financial landscape was filled with complexities. There was a clear divergence between traditional healthcare and tech stocks. The holiday effect in Hong Kong was causing ripples in the local market, and the crypto markets were showing some truly anomalous behavior. All these factors meant that Lin's portfolio was in need of a major rebalancing, and he had a tight deadline of just 3 hours. As Lin sat there, racking his brain for solutions, he suddenly remembered BAPay, a platform that had been discussed at an industry conference the previous week. Without hesitation, he logged into the platform, and what he discovered was a game changer that could solve his current dilemma. First up was the instant cross market allocation feature. Lin had a significant amount of idle funds in his Hong Kong stock account. Through a digital currency channel on BAPay, he was able to convert these funds into USD. And the best part, the funds arrived in his US stock account in just 15 minutes. This was incredibly timely as Tesla was showing an early rally, and Lin was able to jump on the bandwagon and potentially reap the benefits of this upward movement. In the traditional financial world, such cross-market transfers could take days, and by then, the opportunity might have slipped through his fingers. Next, Lin utilized the platform's risk hedging capabilities. The divergence between tech stocks was a major concern. To address this, he used the one-click hedging feature. He went long on HIMS, a promising stock in the market. At the same time, the platform automatically purchased put options on Supermicro Computer. This strategic move was like building a protective shield around his tech-related investments. If the tech stocks continued to diverge in an unfavorable way, the put options on Supermicro Computer would offset the losses from other tech stocks, perfectly mitigating the risk. In addition to cross-market allocation and risk hedging, BAPay also offered innovative asset allocation opportunities. Lin decided to allocate some of his profits to one arbitrage through the platform's stablecoin gateway. The crypto market, despite its volatility and anomalies, presented a chance for unexpected gains. By using this feature, Lin was able to tap into this potential and diversify his portfolio further. As Lin watched his portfolio update in real time on the BAPay platform, he couldn't help but be amazed. Incredible, he marveled. What used to take 3 days of cross-market maneuvering is now done in 3 hours, all within a single platform, savings at least 2% in exchange losses. In the traditional investment model, investors often had to deal with multiple platforms and complex procedures when trading across different markets. This not only wasted a lot of time, but also incurred significant exchange losses. BAPay, on the other hand, streamlined the entire process. It integrates various functions such as cross-market transfer, risk hedging, and innovative asset allocation into one user-friendly platform. That evening, Lin wrote in his trading journal, "This is the future of investing. No longer fighting isolated battles in single markets, but coordinating global assets like a symphony." And innovative tools like BAPay. There are aircraft carriers in this new era of finance. In the financial world, filled with various investment concepts like wealth management, blockchain, payment systems, and risk management, tools like BAPay are becoming increasingly important. They allow investors and fund managers to navigate the complex market maze more efficiently, make better informed decisions, and ultimately achieve better investment results. Whether it's dealing with market volatility, economic indicators, or policy changes, platforms like BAPay provide a comprehensive solution that combines speed, efficiency, and innovation. So if you're an investor looking to take your investment game to the next level, It might be time to explore the possibilities offered by platforms like BeaPay. After all, in the fast-paced world of finance, having the right tools can make all the difference.